Hi, this is Carl.
Hello.
Carl is our on-road evaluator, and he's going to be taking you on your drives when you come to us at Abilities Occupational Therapy. So today we are just going to show you some of the modifications and how they work. So this is a follow-up to the previous video. We're going to do the left-sided gas pedal first and just want to show you how that's active. And sorry, just need to get in here. The right side is completely inactive. Okay, and that's because of these switches over here and here. And you saw that in the first video. So now we're just gonna go for a little spin first using the left-sided gas pedal. All right. Okay, so we're just backing out as per normal. And the reason we want to show this is because just so people can get a sense of what it would be like if you were in the driver's seat. Carl, you've gone around the block a couple of times. How are you finding it? Is it pretty easy to get used to?
Yeah, it is. It's easily adaptable. It just takes a little getting used to, but once you drive it for a few minutes, you should be fine.
Okay. And so you just use it. I think the biggest thing is the left and right. When you're used to using the right pedal, your foot, or mine at least, wants to automatically go to the right, which is why it's disconnected as soon as the left is activated. And as you can see, we're on course. We're not driving into cars. We're doing pretty good. And now Carl is going to use the steering wheel modification to indicate. It's as easy as that. Perfect. Nice. So yeah, and if you guys are worried about anything, not to worry, because there is an instructor's brake, which you can't really see here right now, but there it is. So when you're driving, there's going to be somebody sitting here where I'm sitting, and they're going to just keep an eye on things, make sure that you're feeling comfortable, and yeah, just give you some practice as well. All right, so now we're gonna do hand controls, and again, Carl is just gonna demonstrate quickly before I get into the car. So brake is just like how you normally, so you're just gonna push it and let go. I don't know if there's actually, so do you wanna push it again? Not that one, the hand, because you can see the brake go down. Yeah, there you go. So that's going to be manual. And now for the throttle, you're just going to pull it toward you. And is it offering any resistance?
None.
It's pretty easy to use. Okay, perfect. So we're going to hop in the car and go for a ride using the hand controls. So here we go. Using the steering wheel modification seems to be getting easier for you.
Yeah.
And we've only been doing this for about 10-15 minutes now. You have to hit the hold on. Okay, let's go. At least our windshield is washed now. and we're just kind of navigating in the parking lot here to show you. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing when we take you out. We're going to start you off in a parking lot, most likely first, and then we'll move on to a very quiet residential area if you do well in the parking lot. And then from there, there's main roads that aren't very busy. And then we just slowly graduate the individual. But you've got an hour in the car, and we do find that people become increasingly confident in that hour as it progresses, and they keep practicing with it. So is it getting easier for you?
Yeah.
What was the hardest thing for you to get used to when you first started using it?
Not using your feet.
Which shouldn't be a problem for people who are in wheelchairs, because obviously you don't use your feet, but yeah. And I think that's it. So again, if you guys have any questions for us, feel free to reach out, and hopefully we'll be working with you soon.